sir? I'm fine, sir.
Nice to meet you again. Yes.
We recognize that since 2018, Korea has contributed more than 118,000 metric tons, valued at more than 19 million USD, which is a huge contribution, more so when it is going towards humanitarian support. Without sustained support from partners, such as the Republic of Korea and other donors, humanitarian agencies will face even more difficult choices, either reducing already inadequate food ratios or excluding some of the most vulnerable refugee population from life-saving assistance altogether. It is against this backdrop that the government of Kenya is implementing the Shrika Plan, a bold national framework for transforming refugee management from long-term humanitarian dependency into a sustainable socio-economic inclusion, self-reliance, and shared development for both refugees and the host communities.
When global humanitarian assistance faces growing constraints due to geopolitical tensions and economic uncertainties, the Korean government's raised donations to refugee camps in Kenya is both timely and profound. I sincerely hope that such impactful humanitarian partnership will continue to thrive and expand in the years ahead.
The rice was received and cleared efficiently, and WFP was able to generate approximately $21,000 of saving costs.